Today you're going to learn how to make my Mighty Podge recipe. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a container, an old spoon, water, and white glue. Let's get started. Hello, Mighty Girl, I see you, and today you're going to learn my recipe for Mod Podge. Now I bet you've used Mod Podge before. It is a sealer. Mod Podge is almost like glue, but it's much more watered down, and it's really great to put on top of your finished work. It gives it a nice little shine, protects work. We use that a lot in the Mighty Girl Art Club, but guess what? I want to teach you how to make Mighty Podge. It is a super easy recipe. You can make lots of it. You don't need to go to the store to buy it. I think it's only 2 ingredients. How fantastic is that? And you're going to be using it so much in the Mighty Girl Art Club. So let's get making some Mighty Podge. Mighty Podge is so easy to make, especially when it's only 2 ingredients. So depending on the size of your container, squeeze out some glue, and then what you're going to do is add a tiny bit of water at a time and mix it well with an old spoon or an old fork. And what you're looking for is a runny consistency, okay? Runnier than normal glue. So keep adding a little bit of water at a time until yours is runny, and that is it. Put a lid on it and you're ready to use it. That's how you make Mighty Podge. I'm that mighty girl looking back at you. Hey, hey, I'm that mighty